huling araw na ikaw lang yung baby ko. Kapag kalabas ng baby brother mo dun, hati na atensyon ni daddy sa'yo. Okay? Mami, magigising si Mami. Kisha, say bye, Mami. Tete, bye. Let's go. Mama, Kisha, take a shower, ha? Take a bath, Kisha.
Yes po.
I'll be right back. Guys, first time ko lang gagawin to. Natatakas kami ni Baby Lakisha kay Carlin. Alam kong sobrang sarap pa ng tulog mo doon at hindi ako magpapaalam kahit magalit ka pa. Ito na ang oras para kay Daddy at Baby's time mo. Wow! Ready na yung baby ko. Grabing outfit. Pero bakit dalawa yung salamin mo, Kisha? Remove this one. Oh, no! Yan talaga outfit mo? Are you excited? Yay! Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Nope! Okay, time to sit here. Okay. Oh, big girl, no? Wow! Alam nyo, kahit yung outfit niya, gusto niyang papalitan para mas comfy daw siya. Oh no! Gonna fly away. Go a million miles.
No more hat, Papa?
No more hat. Okay. Alright, so ngayon ang plano namin ni Lakisha, pupunta kami sa isang farm na sobrang daming kabayo at doon magra-ride si Baby Lakisha for the first time ng horse! Lakisha, are you excited? No, why? It's a horse. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Shoulder, knees and toes. Shower here! Nandito na tayo sa Children's Farm. Meron ditong playground, trampoline, children's restaurant, at horseback riding. Kisha, what do you wanna do first? Oh, swing! Alright, let's swing!
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you.
Okay. Whoop. Alright, baby. Kisha, time to slide.
Patiently waiting on my dreams to come true. Hoping and praying one day that they do. Oh, I don't know how, and I don't know when. Just patiently waiting till then.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Alright, Kisha. Tapos na tayo mag-playground, mag-slide, mag-swing. Now it's time for the horse. Horse.
Horse, drawn, fun. Horse,
Ang tawag dito, tamis ng pagtakas.
with the wind blowing through your hair, push me to my knees.
What?
In a long lost dream is where I'll find you.
Horsey.
I feel your eyes makes me feel alive again.
What's the sound of the chicken?
Go.
Oh, good job! Grabe, ate na talaga sila, Kisha.
I want you to stay, honey. I want you to stay.
Takbo.
want you to stay, honey, I want you to stay. I know you've been running and I can get you to stay.
Hi, Mommy! I'm riding a horse! Why are you
I just can't wait. Well, life keeps dragging me on.
Siya, ito na yung last memory natin na ikaw lang yung baby girl ko. Kasi bukas makalawa, may baby brother ka na. Hindi lang ikaw na yung nag-iisang anak ko. Oo. Kaya magiging hati na yung oras sa'yo ni Daddy. Pero it's alright. Still, di ba? You're still my princess. We're still riding a horse. Oh, haya! Enjoy the moment, Kisha! Haya! Ganun naman kasi yung G. Kung sino yung bunso, dapat siya yung mas mahal at mas pinagbibigyan. Kung sino yung panganay, siya yung mapagbigay tsaka mapagpasensya dun sa bunso niyang kapatid. Salamat, horsey! Thank you! Bye-bye! Oh shit, may problema tayo, G. Tumatawag si Carlene. Oh my God, gising na si Carlene. Kisha, Kisha, answer your mommy, oh. Answer your mommy, go.
Hello? Hello? Oh? Isa? Where are you? Here. Here, where? Where's Daddy?
I'm here.
Daddy?
Yes, mommy.
Saan kayo?
Nasa farm.
Saan farm?
Farm nila, Kisha.
Oh, nila kayo. Saan nga?
Hindi, mami, nandito lang kami sa ano. Nakikipag-banding lang ako kay Kisha kasi ilang araw na lang lalabas na si baby boy ko, diba? Kaya itinakas ko muna siya sa'yo.
Ganun.
Huwag ka masyado mag-alala sa amin. Okay lang kami dito. Nag-enjoy sila, Kisha. Say, Mami,
Mommy?
don't worry. We're okay.
Okay. Okay.
Love you,
Love you.
Mami.
Mommy.
We're
Where?
not
Not
going
going
back
back.
home.
Why not? Go home now.
Oh no! Mami mad, Kisha! Mami mad! Mukhang galit na si Carlene. Pero papasulubungan natin yan mamaya. Napakaraming pagkain. Okay? Kisha, let's buy food? Message ko kayo. Here's the food, Kisha! Look at the food! Kisha, look! Message mami, oh. Daddy, uwi na. Ayaw niya pang umuwi. Kakain muna tayo. Oh, where's mommy? Mommy gone. Where's mommy? Gone. Oh no.
Know where I've been, I don't know where I'm going.
Kisha, cheers. Cheers. Happy baby. Happy daddy.
I don't know where I've been, I don't know where I'm going.
Love you. Kiss daddy first. Kiss daddy. Hoy.
You're worried about me, no, I'll make it back home.